getting we are getting that nutrients from food only. These fats, carbohydrates and proteins, we are getting these all nutrients from food only. So we have to prevent the food items from spoilage. If we take that spoiled food means it will make some diseases. So we have to prevent the food from spoilage. So what is mean by food spoilage? Is there any change in the normal state of the food is known as spoilage of food. Is there any changes in the food? The changes, maybe it may be a smell, taste. So these are all some color change, then taste change. These are all some changes, right? So if there are any changes in the normal state of the food is known as food spoilage. Okay, so if we eat these spoiled food means we can have some diseases. So we have to prevent the food from spoilage. So we have to prevent we have to preserve the food from spoilage. So that and all we are going to see in this unit. Okay, so see, first one is spoilage of food. Okay, so what is spoilage of food? The change in the normal state of the food is called spoilage of food. Okay, spoiled food, it becomes unsuitable to eat. Okay, we can know the changes. Is there any changes in the color? Is there any changes in the odor? Is there any changes in the taste? Means from that changes we can know that food is spoiled. So if we consume this spoiled food means it results in diseases. Okay, see these pictures. So these are all some pictures of fruits and vegetables which is spoiled. Okay, you can see there is a change in the state of the fruit and vegetable. The here that color changed, that smell also changed. From these we can know that this fruits and vegetables are spoiled. Okay, so we can avoid to take these spoiled fruits and vegetables. So now we are going to see what are the causes for spoilage of food. Okay, see, the first cause is air and oxygen. When oxygen it reacts with food contents, it produces changes in the color and flavor of the food. So in that open space, that that oxygen is reacted with the food contents. So it spoil the color and flavor of the food. This is the first cause. So the next one is moisture. So moisture, it only keeps the food fresh. If that moisture it's gone, means it's evaporated, means that vegetables and fruits can shrink. You can see these all the things in that picture. See that orange. So it loses its moisture. So that outer cover it started to shrink. Okay, so moisture, it is the second cause for food spoilage. So next one is enzymes. So enzymes, it break down the tissues and components of the food in different ways. So in oxidation, by browning reaction and ripening. So these enzymes they break down the tissues in the fruits and vegetables. The next one is microorganisms. So we know what are the microorganisms: fungi, algae. These are all some microorganisms, right? So these fungi they can grow in lower temperature. So it can, that microorganisms can spoil the food. Then light and temperature. These are all some causes for food spoilage. So this is the introduction class. So you just read. Okay, if you are not having book means please download the PDF and read this two. One is spoilage of food. What is spoilage of food? Then causes for spoilage of food. Okay, thank you children.